Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Student, after the long holidays, we will now start your online classes of subject science. Student, in previous classes, we have already discussed the some exercise. No, I am going to start the exercise of chapter number 3rd. The name of chapter number 3rd is safety and first aid. So student, open your book, take the pencils, eraser and sharpener. Also you can take a rough copy, homework copy and the textbook. Okay student, so get ready. So write down the date. What is the date today? Student, today is 14th August. 4th August. And what day today? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday and day is 4th of August 2020. Class 5th, subject science. Okay. Now I am also taking your book for reading and explaining the question answer. Student, I have completed the first aid about the different situations. For first aid for burns, first aid for the minor cut, wounds, insect bite, snake bite and student dog bites, and for first aid for the sprain and fracture. So what is the symptoms, what is the precaution? So it is very necessary to know the first aid about the correct situation. Okay, because it saved the life of the victims. Okay student. So student, after completing the topics, the concept check, page number 34. I am not completing that. So take the pencil and complete this in the textbook, not on any copy. Don't use this. You will write down in the textbook with the help of pencil. Okay. Now get ready. Concept check. Concept check. Today's your topic will be exercise. EXER. Exercises of chapter 3rd. So you should write down the chapter number 3rd. What name? Safety and first aid. Safety and first aid. Okay. And date. Concept check, page number 34. Page number 34. Field. Answer number 1. The main aim of first aid is to dash the life of the injured person. So main aim, what is the main aim? To save the life of the injured person. So you should fill the save in between the sentences. Okay. Second, in case of heavy bleeding, a dash is twisted above the wound. Student, in the minor cut, when bleeding is heavily very severe, so a tourniquet is available in the market. So you should bind above the wound because it got pressure on the wound to stop the bleeding. So you should fill the tourniquet, T-O-U-R, tourniquet, T-O-U-R, T-O-U-R-N-I-Q-U-E-T, T-O-U-R-N-I-Q-U-E-T. Okay. Third, Fracture is caused when a book broken. When dash bone. When any bone is broken. Fourth, a twist in joint on the ankle or the wrist can cause. So any joints of ankles or whatever in the wrist, there are sprain is possible. Sprain. 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 Fifth, the poison injected by the snake affect the injected poison. When poison injected to the victim, this affect the heart and nervous system. Both. And six, the virus of rabies attack the which system? Nervous system. Nervous. Okay. Fill it with the help of pencil in the textbook. Okay, student. Fill it. Now, open the page number 36. Page number 36. I am going to erase this. Now I am going to start the exercises of chapter 3rd, safety and first aid. So student, listen carefully and take the pencil and take the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. A gas leak on cause. Gas leak, minor fire, vomiting, headache, fracture. Student, gas leak can cause major fire. Answer first A. Major, MAJOR, Answer second. To keep burning, fire needs electricity, no, water, no, air, sand. So always you should aware about that burning required air. So when air stop, when the supply of air stop on the burning objects, so burning area will be put off. So keep the burning fire needs air. C. Answer number 3rd. Covering a burning person with a rug or blanket help to cut off air. Okay, we have already discussed. Covering a burning person with a rug or blanket, cool, no, reduce pain, no, run, no, cut off air. Because when we not cutted the air, burning continuously. Okay, so your answer will be D. Cut off air. Answer number 4. A tourniquet is used in case of excessive bleeding, fracture, sprain, severe burn. Tourniquet is a plastic bandage which is used on the cutted part over the wound for stop the bleeding. So your answer will be A. Excessive bleeding. EXCESSI. Excessive bleeding. So you can only tick, but in the examination period, this is the way of the write down the answer in the answer sheet. Okay. So this type, in write first the answer number and then what is the option. Okay. Choose answer number 5th. The poison ejected by snake affect the legs, no hands, no heart and finger. So heart and nervous system are affected by the poisonous venom. So your answer will be C. Heart. So this is the 5 question in choose the correct answer. To complete it first, I am going to rub this. Now ready to start the write down the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Second, blank. So don't write in the homework copy or fair copy. I will ask to you in the revision time. So in this time you should write down in the textbook with the help of pencil. Okay. So fill the blanks with the help of pencil. Don't use the pen. Okay, student. So present time you should fill in the textbook. Don't write in the fair copy or homework copy. So I am going to read this in blanks first. Carelessness leads to what? Accident. So write down in the first answer accidents. Due to carelessness, unexpected happening. Accidents. 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 Second, clothes should not be worn in the kitchen. Which types of clothes not worn in the kitchen? Student, nylon type. Nylon type, because it catch fire easily. So we should wear the cotton clothes when we are going in the kitchen or doing something. Okay. And what is the question number 3? Never touch electric gadget with hand, with wet hand. Wet hand. So always when you switches the on off, so always your hand should be dry. Don't touch the switches with wet hand. Okay, because it got it to shock you. You have got it to shock by the electric. In case of minor burn, dash cream can be applied on it. In case of minor burn, so this is write down cream. There is no cold water using first of all. So you should use antiseptic cream. Antiseptic. Antiseptic. Antiseptic cream. Like Bernol or Silverex. This is common on the medical shop. Electrical fire can be put off using sand. Don't throw water on the burning area. Okay, so use sand. Because water is the good conductor of electricity. Okay, and sand is a bad conductor. 6. In case of dash or dash, do not move the affected part. There are two situations when we don't disturb the victim. Don't try to move the fracture or the sprain area. Okay, student. Write down. There are two days. First is fracture. FACTU fracture. FACTURE or a sprain. Sprain. Write down in the book. Now I am going to read the point number 3. State true or false. Also correct the false statement. Okay, student. So we have more times. So write down this answer in your homework copy. You can also write down in the fair copy directly, but I am not going to write down the question, but you will write down the question in your fair copy as well as in your homework copy. Okay, I am going to erase this in the blanks. I hope you are all read and write down in your book. First, second nylon, third weight, fourth antiseptic, fifth sand, sixth fracture or spray. State true or false. True or false. Also correct the false statement. Okay. Answer number first. Domestic fire and kitchen injuries are the most common example of fire accidents. Students, generally fires can occur in the kitchen area and in the domestic fire, like the electric short circuit and the kitchen area. So this statement is true. So write down first of all the statement and tick the correct. False. Write down false. True this time. Don't put the tick. State it true. Okay, write down true. Second, severe burns, wounds, and animal bite should be treated by a doctor. Severe burn, wounds, these types of injuries are not handled by the first aid. You should consult a doctor. So, this should be treated by a doctor. This is also a statement is true. Okay. Answer number third. I am not going to write down what is the sentences, but you should write down all the words from your textbook. Okay, student. First, you will write down the question, and then answer is true. Okay. Now, question number 2, answer number 2, true answer. And question number 3, what is the answer number? Answer will be a tourniquet is a bandage or triangular piece of cloth looped around the neck to support the injured arm. No, student, tourniquet is a bandage which is covered around the wound for pressing to stop the bleeding. So this statement is wrong, false. False statement. False statement. True statement is, what is true statement? Student, tourniquet a tight bandage T-O-U-R then I tourniquet is a, there is question, tourniquet is a bandage, tourniquet is a tight bandage. Tourniquet is a tight bandage that help to apply pressure to stop bleeding. Write down the correct. Write down question number 4. Question number 4. Fire can be put out by supplying more air. Student, supplying more air. This statement is false. Answer false. The true statement is to put off statement is fire can be put off by cutting supply of air. Write down. Put off by can put off by cut off of the cut off the supply of air. The true statement is fire can be put off by cut off the supply of air to the fire. Answer number, write down the question number 5, answer number 5. A severe burn can be treated with warm water. First of all, this statement is false statement. False. Okay? Comma. True statement is. Okay? Write down. A severe, SEVERE, burn can be treated with cold water. By cold water. Cold water, because it's cool down the burning area. And also cutted the supply of air. Now write down answer number 6. I am going to raise the question number 4. Last question number 6, answer number 6. What is question? The cracked plastic cover of a wire does not cause any accident. Cracked plastic cover, false statement. False. True statement is the cracked plastic cover haywire, wire, cars, any accident. Write down. Okay, student. Now your time is going to over. Write down the homework. Homework, science. Write and learn. Write and learn the question answer. Okay. Write the learn a question of chapter 3rd. Okay, student. Write down. So today's homework is write and learn the question answer of chapter number 3rd. So write and learn properly which types of question you should write down the textbook and which types of question you should write down in your notebook copy. Okay, I am already detailed. I am already asked to you in detail. Okay, student. So write down the homework. Okay, if any doubt, any queries, you can call to me on my personal number. Thank you, student. Write down.